called Miracle Ear because Roger was missing out on life. What these guys?
I called Miracle Ear because I wanted to hear better.
Talk about dreams.
Listening and understanding is a whole lot easier now. I'm glad I called Miracle Ear.
Talk about a miracle.
If I misunderstand, I miss the sale. But I won't wear one of those big old-fashioned hearing aids. My Miracle Ear Micro Elite works great, and it's tiny as a fingertip.
There you are, reaching for a star, living every moment, sure of who you are.
Call now for a free booklet that shows how Miracle Ear may be able to help you.
Living every moment, sure of who you are.
The call is free. The booklet is free. Even the hearing test is free.
Sometimes little things can make the difference.
Talk about living.
Talk about a miracle.
Talk about a miracle.